Tension escalated sharply at Tronglaobi after irate local residents stormed CRPF camp, leading to firing by security forces that left 2 civilians dead and more than 20 others injured. The violence erupted when angry protesters, reacting to bomb attack in the area that killed 2 children and critically injured their mother, marched towards the CRPF D8 camp at Tronglaobi and staged a strong demonstration. According to reports, the situation turned violent when protesters entered the camp premises and set several vehicles and other property on fire. In response, CRPF personnel opened fire with live rounds and also used tear gas shells, resulting in the deaths of 2 persons and injuries to over 20 others. Many of the injured were rushed to nearby hospitals. The 2 civilians killed in the CRPF firing have been identified as Laisham Jitain, 60, who was staying at Moirang College Relief Camp, and Huidrom Henry, 40, a resident of Tera Lukram Lerak, currently living at Fogaukchau Ikai, Awang Lekai, in a rented house. The injured persons admitted to Raj Medicity and RIMS include Ningthaujam Naucha, 25 of Tronglaobi, Longjam Sunil, 46 of Tinungai, Ningthaujam Bijain, 40 of Narin Saina, Huidrom Sobha, 35 of Ishok, Mairenbam Arlex, 24 of Tera Kongshangbi, Oinam Romain, 39 of Chandapur, Kumukcham Malinganba, 26 of Kakching Kuno, and Thaubam Manisana, 23 of Kongpal Khetri Lekai.